This is where functionality, quality, and style meet. Where AISI, Aerospace Approved 304 stainless steel, strong enough to resist rust, corrosion, dents, scratches, and extreme temperature changes, meets a sleek ADA-compliant one-piece body. This is the 2XL G4 stainless stand, perfect for high traffic and high visibility. With a piano hinge magnetic door for quick and easy access to the interior trash bin and wipes, and an integrated lid, so there's no lid to remove, no latches, and no need to lift a dispenser to access the trash bin. The modern features are designed for ease, efficiency, and safety, seamlessly fitting into any environment, so you can keep it clean without the stress. Take your facility to the next level with a 2XL G4 stainless stand, a sleek addition specially designed to prioritize cleanliness.